I'm Dr. Hacksmith, and this is my first C++ tutorial. The first thing you're going to need is a C++ compiler. There's quite a few out there, so you have options. I'm using Bloodshed's dev C++ version 4.9.9.2. You can use Visual C++ Express made by Microsoft. You can find it on their website. Yep, so we're just going to create a new console project and name it, I don't know, hello world, whatever you want. The first line is always going to be include. If you've ever messed around with Java, Java uses the same sort of thing. It uses including files needed to make the program run, and so that we can use those functions that we want to reference to. We want to go include iostream. Iostream is the standard stream for the standard namespace. You can either use using namespace std, or you can just continue with the rest of the program and just use std 2 colons followed by the function, but we'll just without at the moment. So we want to use main. This tells the compiler that this is the start of main. So our code goes between there. This says that the rest of this line is a comment and is ignored by the compiler. This is a comment block where multiple lines can be comments. It's usually color coded, I guess. Colored. No, it's syntax colored. So the first line is std followed by 2 colons. As I said, you could just use using namespace std and ignore the std 2 colons. And cout being the function for counting, printing things to the window, and hello world. This is the operator, and this is a string, meaning pretty much any text. This says that we're going to start a new line, and a semicolon goes after almost. We'll just say at the end of most lines. So if you're getting an error, it's probably a semicolon. So the next thing is we're going to use. A lot of people say, well, a lot of beginner tutorials say that you should be using system like this. This lets you access to batch commands, but it's really inefficient. Plus, it's only for Windows. So it's a steer clear solution. So we're just going to be using cn.get. Cn is the standard console method for getting input from the user. You could use get, I suppose, if you don't want them to press enter after they type something. It all comes down to what you prefer and what your needs are. If it was a game, I'd suppose you'd use get instead of cn, but it depends. It will just display hello world, and of course, since we're using cn, we have to actually press enter. You might notice that we have this title and we have a bland color and everything. We can change that by using the system command, as I said, steer clear. But if you want it to look nice, I guess you could use it. If you've never used batch, it's pretty simple, and yeah. Oh, I sped through this, but yep, that's the basic stuff. The next one will be cn, I suppose, and variables and referencing variables, changing the values of a variable. Okay, so I hope I get to do another one of these. I'm not going to say probably, but I might not. I don't know.